Alright, yesterday I tested a new form of voting, and I'm going to say it succeeded. We got a total of 41 votes, which is okay, but I could have voted for better, but it did help combat the problems. Some people complained about the need of a Gmail account, but you need one to be in YouTube anyway, so it shouldn't really matter. Overall, this new voting system is a success, and it will be replacing the old system. So if you like the old system, sorry, but you have to say goodbye to it. But the winner, with over half the votes, was the Next-Gen Playoffs Elimination. So as promised, I will make a video fully explaining how it works, which is this video right here. So it is an elimination that comprises of all my Next-Gens. This is not all of them. These are just sample Next-Gens I pulled out. I need a lot of them for this. And they are teamless, and they compete in challenges. However, it works extremely differently. Cars will either win, land in neutral, or fail out. The cars who win are the ones you vote for. Instead of voting cars to be eliminated, you vote cars to actually win. And for every vote they receive points. And whichever car gets the most points in one voting session will be locked in to the playoffs, and therefore will be safe for a while. But nobody gets eliminated. And the cars that land neutral are not votable, and the cars that fail out not only do that, but they also lose points if they have them, and are also disqualified from the next challenge to make it so they will not get a chance next time. But of course, the episode after that, they will be back in it. So there is nobody getting eliminated. And then this will continue. Cars will keep racking up points. Cars will continue to be locked into the playoffs. And then eventually, it'll be settled. After a certain amount of challenges, we'll be done with the first part of the game. And then all the cars who scored the most points, who did not get into the playoffs yet, are in the final spots. And everyone else who didn't make it are all eliminated. And then the game continues without them. Now, they'll be put into rounds, which are different challenges. And then, if they win, you of course vote them to earn more points. And if they lose, instead of them just getting disqualified, you vote them to lose points. So therefore, there will have to be two different questions on these polls here. And then, after every few rounds, the cars with the fewest amount of points will be eliminated from the game. And then, cars will continue to be eliminated until that is it. And once we reach like the final few cars left, then there will be a final few challenges. And then after that challenge, the one car who came out with the most points hails the champion. It's a very complex elimination that might require more and for you to actually see it to understand how it works. But this is what it'll be. I can say for sure, though, that this will not be my next elimination, because it still requires a lot more planning, but you wanted me to explain it, so I've done it for you. So, I'll see you when there's another thing to say about eliminations in the future. So see you once then.